Okay, folks, this is what I had. Door ajar. So, as you can see, I fixed it. Why don't you make me a liar now? There you go. It's been showing up. I think I got it fixed with a little bit of a spray cleaner. No guarantees on this because it's intermittent, but I got it going off for now. Every 30 or 40th time it'll stay on, but so far not doing it, but that's where it's at. Now what did I do? I did this. Went down into that booger right there. Yeah, buddy, deep down inside. It was looking pretty dirty. So what did I do? I went out and I got this Lectra-Motive, and I just sprayed the bejesus out of this thing. That's right, sprayed the tarnation out of it. Used almost 3/4 of the can on it. So I used this, cleaned it up, and right now no door ajar. It's working like it's supposed to. There you go. Still doing what it's supposed to do. Turning off. So that's my temporary fix. We'll see how long it goes before the thing doesn't want to work anymore, but for right now, that's where I'm at with this. So let's see if it stays working. I think it just got some gummy grease in there and got a little bit stuck, so I unstuck it. That's it, folks. This is MACT, and quick little cleanup on that door latch, and it seems to take care of the door ajar issue on the passenger side door. Let's see how long this little fix lasts. Maybe it won't ever come back. Who knows? Either that or I end up replacing the switch, but again, we'll wait and see. MACT here, and of course both my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. MACTFORDEDGE on YouTube, and also join up Facebook. MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook. Band of One has some great music for you, and Mercy Girl has a couple one-liners and maybe a little bit of bonus footage.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.